Greetings to one and all. Myself Mohana. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Kamaraj College of Engineering and Technology. Today I am going to present page replacement algorithm in operating system is an important topic in an operating system that manage memory efficiently. Page replacement algorithm. Page replacement algorithms are used in operating system to decide which memory page to remove when a new page needs to be loaded into memory, that is fully loaded memory RAM. The needs of the page replacement algorithm is the RAM has a limited memory space, and next the program may require more pages than the available frame, and also when a page fault occurs and no free frame is available, the OS replace an existing page. These are the main reasons the page replacement are needed in operating system. The main objective of page replacement algorithms are minimize the page fault and next thereby improve the CPU utilization and system performance. What are the algorithms available in page replacement algorithm means first in first out, then least recently used, optimal page replacement, least frequently used, and next clock algorithm. Let us see one by one. First is first in first out page replacement algorithm. Here the oldest page in memory will be replaced first, that is the replace the oldest pages in memory, and next we want to maintain a queue, and next the main advantage is simple to implement and the disadvantages suffer from lattice anomaly, that is more number of frames or increased means then the page fault is also leads to more, that is more frames can lead to more page fault. Let us consider an example. Here the reference string having 20 bits, for example 70120303221701 and the frame size is 3. Then as frame 1, frame 2 and frame 3, because here the given problem consists of 3 frames only. So, we want to place this bit of strings to the particular thing. For example, mark it as first bit string is 7 and next 1, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 2, 3, 0 and next 3, 2, 1, 2, 0, 1, 7, 0, 1. Let us consider first in first out. Here the first string is 7. We want to place this into these frames. First 7 bit we want to check whether it is having in memory. There is no. So, here the page fault occurs. So, mark it as page fault and place the value of 7 here. And next the next reference string is 0. Here in memory there is no the value of 0. So, mark it as page fault and place the value of 0. And next 1, the 1 is also not in memory. So, mark it as page fault and place the value in frame number 3. And next the OS want to decide which page want to replace. Instead of 701, the new upcoming page value of 2 want to place in memory. The 7 is in memory longest time. So, the value of 7 will be replaced in the place of 2. So, the 2 page is not in memory. So, instead of 7 the page value 2 will be replaced here. Remaining pages are as it is in memory. Okay. Then the value of 0 is upcoming string. This page is already in memory. So, here make it write as kit, that is the page is already in memory. And next the upcoming string is value of 3. This value is not in memory. So, mark it as page fault. Then the OS want to decide which page want to replace. The oldest page in memory is 0. So, instead of 0 we want to replace the page of 3. So, here 3, the remaining pages are as it is. Okay, and next 0, the 0 bit is not in memory, so mark it as page fault. Then want to decide which page want to replace. The value 1 is want to replace instead of 0. So 1 is replaced and the value 0 is placed here. The remaining pages are as it is. The value of 4 is not in memory, so mark it as page fault. Then want to replace. The OS want to decide which page want to replace. The oldest memory in this 2 page is the longest having in memory. So this page will be removed and the value 4 will be placed here. So 4 remaining pages are as it is. Then the upcoming string bit 2, the page is not in memory, so here also mark it as page fault. Then the OS want to decide which page want to replace. The value of 3 want to replace it by 2. The remaining pages are as it is. Then the upcoming string is 3. Here the 3 is not in memory, so mark it as page fault. Replace the page of 0 instead of 3. So remaining pages are as it is. And next is 0. The 0 is also not in memory, so mark it as page fault. Then decide which page want to replace. The value 4 is having in memory longest time, so the 4 is replaced by 0. 0, 2, then 3. Okay. And next value is 3. The 3 is already in memory, so make it note as a kit. Okay. And next the upcoming string is 2. This 2 is also in memory, so mark it as kit. And next value 1. The page value is not in memory, so make it as page fault and decide which page want to replace. The value 2, that is page number 2 is longest time in memory, so that will be replaced by the value of 1. 1, 3, 0. Okay. And next page 2 is not in memory, so make it as page fault and decide which page want to replace. Here which page want to replace, the value 3 is having longest time, so this will be replaced by the value of 2. So remaining pages in frame and 1 and 2 having the same page 0 and 1. Okay. Then 0, this page is already in memory, so make it a note as kit. And next value is also 1 is also having in memory, so make it at note. Okay. Note as hit. And next 7, the page of 7 is not in memory, so we want to place. Okay, which the OS want to decide which page want to replace. The longest time having 0 is having a more number of time in memory, so instead of 0 we want to replace the page as 7. Then remaining page frame number 1, 2 in frame number 1 having the 7, in frame number 2 page number 1 and page number frame number 3 having the value of 2. Okay. Mark it as page fault. Then 0, 0 is not in memory, so make it note as the page fault. Then we want to replace. Which thing want to replace? The more number of time having value 1. Okay. So this 1 is replaced by the value of 0. So remaining frame page values are as it is, so 7, 2. Okay. Then the upcoming page is 1. This 1 is not in memory, so make it note as page fault. Okay. So the 1 want to replace in the place of 2. So 1, the remaining frame value is as it is 7, 0. Okay. Now count the value of page fault and page hit. Okay. Page fault is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here the page fault is 15 and page hit is the value of hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And next we want to calculate about the page fault ratio and page hit ratio. The formula of page fault ratio is number of page fault divided by total number of page reference. Here in first in first out, the page fault number of page fault is 15 and the total number of page reference is 20. So, it will lead the 75% of page fault. And next, page hit ratio. The formula to calculate the page hit ratio is number of page hit divided by total number of page references. So, here the number of page hit is 5 and the total number of page reference is 20. So, it will lead to the 25% of page hit. Okay. So, this presentation is helpful to understand the concept of page replacement algorithm. Thank you. Have a great time.